Hey guys, welcome back to CTRL+Me. Today, we're talking about the 7 most common hygiene mistakes teens make and how to fix them fast. Trust me, we've all been guilty of at least one of these. Let's get into it. Mistake number 1, skipping showers after sports. Sweat stays on your skin, mixes with bacteria, and creates serious odor. Even a quick rinse, or at least body wipes plus fresh clothes, can save you big time. Mistake number 2, too much perfume or body spray. It doesn't cover bad hygiene, it just makes it worse. Fix. Focus on clean skin first, then use just a little spray for freshness. Mistake number 3, not washing underarms properly. Just water won't cut it. Bacteria builds up and causes odor. Fix. Use soap and scrub for at least 20 seconds. Mistake number 4, reusing dirty clothes. Even if it looks clean, bacteria from sweat stays trapped in fabric. Fix. Always wear fresh clothes, especially socks, underwear, and shirts. Mistake number 5, rushing through oral care. Bad breath equals instant confidence killer. Fix. Brush for 2 minutes, floss daily, and don't forget your tongue. Mistake number 6, ignoring skincare. Not washing your face equals oil plus dirt buildup, which causes acne. Fix. Wash twice daily with a gentle cleanser and moisturize. Simple works. Mistake number 7, not carrying hygiene essentials. Life happens. Surprise gym class, hot days, sleepovers. Fix. Keep a small kit, deodorant, wipes, gum, and sanitizer. You'll thank yourself later. So those are the 7 biggest teen hygiene mistakes and how you can fix them fast. Which one are you guilty of? Be honest in the comments. And if you want more real teen tips, stories, and hacks, hit subscribe and take control of your life with us. See you in the next video.